Okay, in this video, I am going to introduce you to the timeline at the bottom of the screen here. And in order to do that, I need to actually import some footage for us to work with. So I'm going to go to File, Import, and go to File. Since it's one file, I'm just going to go to Import File. I'm going to pick an image, PNG, and I'm just going to drag it right into my scene like this. Just one thing about the content in After Effects, you can bring in any kind of image file, or you can bring in videos, but you cannot actually capture from a camera directly. You'll need to use a program like iMovie or Final Cut to do that, and then once that's captured, you can bring it in to After Effects for editing. So now that I have this logo imported, I can drag it into my composition window. Another way to bring it into the scene is by just dragging it right into the timeline, and then that'll get placed into here. Now the timeline is set up so that there's a playhead. This indicates where the current playback is. I only have a 10-second video here, so naturally my timeline is only going to be 10 seconds long. There's a zoom function right here, so at the very bottom, if I click and drag this to the right, I will be focusing in by frames. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 LOE. So this is a frame by frame view, and this is as zoomed in as possible. And then I can actually use my cursor here to pan across. Up the top here is more or less the same thing. If I drag this is almost like a navigator. So what this bar indicates is the current viewable timeline. So if I even click and drag this along, it will allow me to only see what's in between these two bars up at the top.